Guys, if you are looking to make text with AI, you know it's messed up if you use Midjourney, Leonardo or anything else. Leonardo might be getting better, but I'm in Ideogram and it has one of the best, the absolute best typography mode. I'll show you what I generated. So you see this is a code that I actually prompted. So I just wrote the code: change but start slowly because direction is more important than speed, by Paulo Coelho. And the mode I selected was typography, and this is the magic prompt that it made in detail. Now if you look at this, it is absolutely wonderful, and I didn't have to like give it a lot of instructions, or I did it with bare minimum. So it had used all these different sorts of fonts you see, and it wrote the text of the quote as well, and then you see it put a background in it as well. So it put a road that's going somewhere, and it relates to the quote which says change but start slowly because direction is more important than speed. Now this is the second generation, and it says that change but start slowly because direction is more important than speed. The text is actually coherent. And then this is the third one. This is also pretty interesting. I'm really mind blown with this one. Then this last one, I haven't seen it yet, but so it put the author's name on the top, and then it said change but start slowly. Okay, it also has all the text. And if I didn't use the typography feature in Ideogram, then I'll show you what it looked like. So this was the generation, it didn't have anything. So the prompt you see is the same, change but start slowly. So it's the same. In one of the images it put the text, but it isn't making sense. It used some letters which we don't know, and it tried to put the text, but you see it isn't coherent, or it isn't exactly the same. So this one was like the better one, but it doesn't include the word change, and then there's also some spelling mistakes in here, and there are some other images that they don't really have the text. So if you are looking to make quotes or anything like that which includes a lot of text and you want to generate it with AI, so Ideogram is the best that you can use right now, and it has 25 free credits for each day, and you can use the typography feature in it. You have to select that one if you want to have the best generations. I'll show you how to do that. So you have to click on this plus button, and once you are here you have to write down your code. So you see guys, I put this quote here, and here down below I selected the typography feature. So you can select the other ones, cinematics, posters, illustrations. Let's say we want to do the poster plus typography. Let's see how it turns out, and I put the aspect ratio to 1:1, and then let me click on generate, and you see it's also pretty fast in generating the AI images. And let's see, the progress right now is 41%. I'll be back. It's already started generating actually, so you might not have to wait a lot. So here you see just one positive thought in the morning, R and O seem to be merged, and then it again put in the morning again. This isn't a good one. This also really isn't that much exciting because it has some repetition over here. This one also has something weird going on. So let's say I just want to do typography. I'll actually go back down here. Let's click on this image. You can then again come, and then you can click on this button here, plus, and instead of using the poster, let's remove this one. Let's keep it just to typography. So we'll also remove the poster from here. Let's click on generate. Now let's see if we get some different results. I'm really hoping that we would actually. Now it's kind of much better. This one has a repetition of the word positive. This one actually it has a bright background, and it says just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. This was good. This also seems to be good, and it is actually getting the essence of what we want to actually display or what we want to get as our results. And the best thing about ideogram, guys, is that you can get away with minimal prompting. It would do all the heavy lifting for you, and if you like a certain style, then you can build on top of it. But for starters, it is one of the best. And that was pretty much it for the video. I also make a lot of other content on the channel just to give you like the actual crux and the stuff that matters related to AI and all these programs. And if you are interested in not wasting your time and getting to know the maximum, then you might also want to check out the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you in another one.